Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove icons from your Facebook tab bar. First, open your Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down and find tab bar settings. Here you will see all the tabs. Tap the one you want to remove and set it to hide. Go back to the home screen and icon will be removed from your tab bar. And that's it. Like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials.